Hey, Programming 11, we're going to reset our code. Not our code, our game. Hey, you know when you lose the game? Hey, let me run the game and lose. When we run the game, we start, we get points, we die. We restart the game, and notice that we're back to 0 score and back to 3 lives. That doesn't just happen automatically. We have to program that in. Also notice that the target started again at the center, and it went back to being like slow. Like if I click enough times, I can get it like going pretty fast. Like maybe I can't because I suck, but you know, I can get it like pretty fast. If I go back and start, I mean, it looks still pretty fast. I can't click it well enough. I need my Razer mouse. See, it resets back to the center and back to a new speed, in addition to score and lives. So how do you reset when you start the game over again? How do you reset those variables? I mean, it's basically just a matter of putting some reset code where you reassign the variables values in something like the game over clicks function. So when you click and you set the mode back to intro, for example, or if you set the mode back to game from intro, you could just reset those variables. Score equals 0, lives equals 3, or whatever your default values are. You can just reset those variables. Hey, I'll show you what I did. I actually have, in my utilities tab, I have a reset function that just resets all these things. I reset my slider back to the middle. I reset my variables. I reset these variables. And I called it reset. And guess what I can do now? I can go into, say, game over. And here's the game over function. I'll just move this up so you can focus on it. In addition to like setting the mode to intro, this is game over, right? So I'm clicking to go back. I also reset my code. Reset calls this code here. So this is my reset code. And I can reset from wherever. You know where else I reset? I also reset in my setup. Check it out. In my setup, I also reset. So this is in void setup. So I can reset from the setup when I begin the project, and I can reset from the game over clicks function when I click to restart my project. I can reuse that code without having to copy and paste that code. So, saves you the time and saves you the trouble if you have to edit that code later on. If you have to add new things in, well, it's just one place to put it. You don't have to put it in 2 different places. You're saving yourself from making, the potentially future mistakes by keeping your code simple. Okay, thanks, Programming 11. I have one more video to show you about the exit function, and that's the end. Okay, take care.